Hey guys, I wanted to share my technique on how to create this gorgeous soft brown smoky eye with the beautiful Mia Myers. First let's start with the brows, and I'm using the NARS Brow Perfector in shade Naya. I want the brows to be finished but kind of natural, and I really like this pencil because it's a great neutral grey brown. After filling in the brows, I'm moving on to the Refi Brow Sculpt. This is a great option if you want a soft, fluffy brow. It doesn't laminate the brows to the skin, but it does give them that texture. I like to brush the inner corners of the brows upwards to make them nice and fluffy before moving on to the eyes. I'm basing the entire Soft Smokey Eye with the Pink Honey Bronzing Face Frosting in shade Peanut Butter. This is a really versatile sculpting cream which I'm applying with the My Kit Co 1.12, which is a synthetic blending brush. I'm wrapping the cream all the way around the eyes just to give the eye shape. Then I switch to a softer brush to blur out the edges. This is the My Kit Co 1.15. I love to use a cream to base the eyes as I feel like it's super easy to blend and looks really modern, and it also matches the contour colours of the skin. Next I move on to the My Kit Co 1.30, my on-point blender. This is a great defining brush for the crease line. With any smoky eye, I like to keep the under eyes bright and clean, and I'm using the My Kit Co 1.27 brush with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 220 to really make sure that Mia's under eyes are super bright. After applying Ardell Naked Lashes in number 420, which I'm obsessed with because they're so natural and fluffy, I apply mascara, then switch out to the My Kit Co 1.25 my lash groomer. This brush is an absolute must-have. It's the only way I style out the lower lashes because it catches each and every individual lash and really makes them fanned out and fluffy. But seriously guys, if you don't have this lash brush in your kit, make sure you head over to My Kit Co and treat yourself right away. For the lips, I'm blurring the edges using the same Pink Honey Face Frosting and the My Kit Co 120 brush before moving on to MAC Lip Line in shade Cork, which is an absolute lip liner classic and perfect for Mia's skin tone. I then go back in with the same My Kit Co 120 brush just to make sure that the lip liner's defined but blended. To finish the lips, I'm using the Makeup by Mario lip palette, which is an absolute makeup artist dream because you can custom mix your own shades, but in this case I'm going for the nude shade and applying that again with the My Kit Co 1.20, and here's Mia in the finished look.